Welcome to the York History Center, a place where history comes alive, offering fascinating insights into York County's past and its lasting impact on the present. Begin your exploration at the History Makers Tower, where a state-of-the-art touchscreen display invites you to delve into the lives of the history makers from all walks of life. But York County isn't just about history, it's also the birthplace of several iconic American brands. Famous names from York include Harley-Davidson, York Peppermint Patties, York Barbell, Pfalzgraff, Stauffer Biscuit Company, American Machine and Foundry, Caterpillar, Voith Hydra, Woods Quality Foods. Each of these brands reflects the spirit of innovation, craftsmanship, and legacy that defines York County. At the York County History Center, visitors can marvel at a monumental artifact, a 72-ton ammonia compressor. This massive machine, towering over 2 stories high, was constructed by the York Manufacturing Company in 1904. It played a crucial role in the early 20th century ice-making industry by utilizing ammonia compression to freeze water, thereby producing ice. Step back in time and discover York County's pivotal role in the Revolutionary War on 60-minute guided tour to the Colonial Complex. A key highlight of York's Colonial Complex is the historic Golden Plough Tavern, the oldest surviving building in the city. Built in 1741 by Martin Eichelberger as a family residence, the structure soon took on a new life thanks to its strategic location. Set along what is now Market Street, once a vital Native American trade route known as the Monocacy Trail, stretching deep into western Maryland, the building quickly became an ideal spot for travelers and locals alike. Its proximity to Codorus Creek made it even more attractive for commerce and rest. Originally a single-story Germanic-style structure, the tavern gained a second floor just a few years after construction. Eichelberger eventually converted his home into a full-fledged tavern, which served the York community and passing travelers well into the early 1800s. Let's step into the past and walk through the doors of the General Horatio Gates House, one of the most historically significant homes in York, Pennsylvania. This 18th century house served as the temporary residence of General Horatio Gates, a key figure in the American Revolution. During the winter of 1777 to 1778, while the British held Philadelphia, the Second Continental Congress met in York, and Gates was here, at the center of it all. Best known for his victory at the Battle of Saratoga, General Gates was both celebrated and controversial. While in York, he became linked to the Conway Cabal, a quiet attempt by some to replace George Washington as commander of the Continental Army. Today, the house has been completely restored, capturing the atmosphere of Revolutionary-era York. Every room, every detail helps tell the story of a young nation finding its way through war and political uncertainty. So come walk in the footsteps of a revolutionary general. The General Horatio Gates House isn't just a building, it's a living story from America's founding chapter. Step inside the reconstructed Colonial Courthouse, where the story of the Second Continental Congress comes to life. During the harsh winter of 1777-1778, Congress relocated to York, and it was here that they debated and ultimately adopted the Articles of Confederation, laying the foundation for America's first national government.